How to share TikTok video on Facebook story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can share TikTok video on Facebook story. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application and make sure to log in. Now if you like to share this TikTok video to your Facebook story, there is not a direct way. So first of all, you have to share this to your Facebook post, and from there you have to share it in your Facebook story. Now to do that, first of all, tap on this share icon from the right hand side at the corner. Now from here, tap on Facebook. Now you will land on this interface where it says share to feed. But before you post it in your Facebook post, first of all, you have to change your audience. For that, tap in this option that says friends. From this drop down box, you have to choose the last option that says only me. Now go back. Once you have selected the only me, then you have to tap on post. Now this video is being posted in your Facebook. For that, open up the Facebook, and here it's already posted. But it's private, so no one will be able to view this. After that, in order to share it in your Facebook story, tap on this share option under this post. Now there, you will have this option as share to your story. Then tap on your story. Now you can change the style by simply tapping on it. And once it's on, simply tap on share. And with that, this TikTok video is now shared in your Facebook story. So that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.